that sight whistle had a snooze button on it. I could do with another few minutes idling.
Rise and shine, Digger boy! Wakey, wakey, Scooch!
Dumpy. Oh, morning.
Morning, Scooch, old buddy. How are you this morning?
Well, actually, I feel a bit stiff. I wish I had a bit more room to stretch out.
Well, you were the last one in when we moved on to this site. You're lucky to have that much space. The thing is, Carrie and I need all this space for our collections.
I know.
Well, no time to worry about that now. That new site building isn't going to build itself.
Let's go! Varoo!
Hey, yeah.
You mean no bathroom?
Right then. We did very well yesterday on the new building. Ah, Carrie, can you bring across all the roof slats and... Diggs, could you load Scooch up with all the bits we don't need, so Scooch, you can take them to the dump.
Okay,
Boza.
Boza. There is nothing like building a building. It's the best kind of building there is.
Let's go to work.
Yeah, come on, Scooch. Let's get to it.
Okay. Absolutely.
Righto.
Off you go. Bad mother to the plan.
Up you come, Mr. Bollywood. And up you go to meet Frida's fame. Oh. Beautiful. Stop! Could we please just stop here for a minute? Log, could you give me just a little more room? If I am to raise this wall correctly, I need more space.
I do apologize, Carl. I didn't realize I was so close. Of course I'll move over.
Thank you, my old friend. Okay, everyone, as you were.
You're looking very thoughtful today, Scooch.
Maxine, can I ask you something? Is it fair that Diggs and Carrie have lots of space in the idle house and I don't?
No, it is not fair. Your own space is the most important thing of all. It's the only place where you can be on your own, put all the things you love, stretch out that dumper of yours. You've got to tell those two to move on up, cause you need some Scooch space.
Oh, but they've got their collections, so they need lots of space.
Well then, get yourself a collection. Then you'll need it too.
Hey, Maxine, that's a really great idea.
And I got a cement mixer full of them.
Well, that was a good day's work. I bet we'll have that building built by tomorrow.
Night-night, Blinky Blank. Night-night, Blunky Blank. Night-night, Blunky Blank.
Carrie, you couldn't just say one good night to your planks, could you? You know, sort of do them all in one go.
Oh, of course not. They are all special and they all need their own good night. Oh, now you've put me off. I'll have to start again. Night-night, Blinky Blank. Night-night, Blunky Blank.
Oh.
Night-night, Blunky Blank.
Scooch?
What on earth have you got in your dumper?
Say hello to my new rock, Billy!
What? But where are you going to put it?
Well, you two will have to move up so I can put him in my space.
I can't move up. I've got barely enough room for my scrap collection as it is.
And what about Blinky, Blonky, Blunky and all my other planks? How could I squeeze them up? Sorry, Scooch. You'll have to leave him outside.
He'll get cold.
He's a rock. He's used to the cold.
Yeah?
But your planks and your scrap. This is really not fair.
Scooch?
Well, if you're not going to move up, then Billy and I are going to have to find some Scooch space somewhere else.
Scooch space?
Somewhere else?
Come on, Billy.
Where do you think Scooch spent the night?
Oh, I expect he and Billy found somewhere to...
Do you see what I see?
I think I do.
Good morning, Diggs and Carrie. Welcome to my new space.
Your new space?
Does Boza know about this?
No, but I think he's about to. Scooch, could you please explain what you are doing in the new building with that large rock?
Oh, this is my new rock, Billy.
Oh, hello, Billy.
Well, Boza, your own space is the most important thing of all. It's the only place you can be on your own. Put all the things you love and stretch out your dumper.
Now, why am I getting the feeling you've been talking to Maxine?
Boza, I've decided I need my space, 'cause there's no room with Diggs and Carrie in the other idol house. So, Billy and me have decided to move in here.
Where to go, Scooch?
Wow, he's got a lot of room in there.
Don't worry, Boza will never let him stay.
You know, that's not a bad idea.
What?
Well, I was going to use this as a new supply shed. But you're right. You don't have very much room with Diggs and Carrie. When this is finished, it can be the new idol house. Till we move to the next site. Is that all right with you two?
You mean we're going to move in there as well?
Yes, I'll leave it up to Scooch to divide up the new idol house.
Oh, thank you, Boza. Billy can help me. Can't you, Billy?
Oh, no.
Oh, hello, Diggs. Hello, Carrie. As you can see, Billy and I have divided the new idol house up. Diggs, that's your space there.
But it's tiny!
And Carrie, that's your space over there.
Huh?
Sorry, but you were the last machines in.
Oh, fair enough. It's our own fault. We should have given you more space in the old idol house.
Yes, sorry. We should have moved up.
Only joking.
Huh?
Have as much space as you like. There's plenty of room for all three of us in here, which is just as well, 'cause my rock collection is growing all the time.
Huh?
Say hello to Betty!
Oh, well. Hello, Betty, Billy. I'm Carrie, and this is Diggs. Say hello, Diggs.
I don't believe this.